We traveled to North Carolina to visit a leading family-owned company at the forefront of customized chemical blending and packaging. With over 50 years of industry experience and a strong focus on customer service, they deliver innovative, high-quality solutions to support industrial markets nationwide. Join us in Mount Holly and meet the team at ArroChem.
ArroChem is a custom chemical manufacturing operation, and we've been in the Charlotte, North Carolina area for about 50 years. My dad started the company, and I've been here about 30 years, and over those years, we've developed a wide range of formulas that can be customized to meet customer-specific needs and applications.
Customer service makes ArroChem extremely unique from our competitors. So my boss likes to say that we're the boutique of chemical companies, that we personalize every customer. We treat them all the same, whether they're ordering 1 drum or 100 drums. So the experience at ArroChem is what we value. ArroChem offers a variety of different chemical solutions. We do both dry and liquid blending in small tanks as far as 1 drum batch to several drums up to 5,000 gallons. We also offer a small packaging line, so we can do 16 ounces, container sizes. We can do 1 gallon, 5 gallon, 55 gallon drums, totes, as well as tanker trucks. ArroChem is unique that it doesn't service just one industry. We do focus on B2B and not B2C, but we offer our services anywhere from textiles to metalworking to industrial cleaning. So we're very versatile in our offerings. We don't treat customers just like a customer. We treat them as a long-time partner. We don't look in it for a one order and one and done. We're going to answer the phone every time they call. We're going to hold their hand through the whole experience. Whether they have a problem from the shipping, from the formulation, from they need an order at once. So we will adjust to fit their needs.
The team here at ArroChem is very unique because of our vet employees. Our vet employees have been working here for over a decade, and that experience has really shown in the quality of their work. With them working here for so long, they've really passed this down to the new employees, so that really leaves a legacy here at ArroChem.
We were looking for a brand new contract filler, and we wanted something that was all-encompassing. What I mean by that is something that was close in proximity to where we're at. We're out of Charlotte. Someone who was able to deliver in a timely manner and was professional and could deal with what we had to as far as any issues that may arise, and ArroChem was delivered.
ArroChem is a boutique chemical company that treats all of their customers like they are their only customer, whether it's a 1 drum order or a 100 drum order. That's what makes ArroChem one of the world's greatest.